Stress has become an unavoidable part of our lives, but this does not mean that we can ignore it. Stress, if untreated, can have serious effects upon our mental and physical health. Situations and circumstances might not always be in our hands, but how we react to them is very much dependent upon our free will. We choose how we react to a particular situation. In this video, we bring to you a few coping mechanisms to deal with stress. Let's divide these coping mechanisms into means to deal with an immediate situation and means to make stress coping a lifetime thing, to make some lifestyle changes which will help us less susceptible to stress. So let's begin with steps we can take to deal with an immediate situation. First step, listen to music. Research shows that when we listen to some kind of a relaxing music, it calms down our body and mind. It relaxes us. Even sounds of nature, such as waves of an ocean, chirping of birds, leaves of a tree fluttering in wind, have a tendency to calm down our mind and relieve the stress. Second option can be talking to a friend. When overwhelmed by a situation, take out some time and call a friend. Good relationships with friends and loved ones is an important part of healthy living. Sometimes a reassuring voice, even for a minute, can do wonders to our mood. And sometimes it might not be an option to talk to a friend. In that case, next best option can be to sit down in an isolated place and talk to yourself about your concerns. You'll notice that it will help you bring down your stress levels. Third thing we can do is laugh it off. Laughing has a tendency to trick our nervous system into being happy. When we laugh out loudly, our body releases endorphins or feel-good hormones and brings down the stress hormones. Fourth option is try taking green tea. Somehow we have a tendency to go for caffeinated things like coffee or a chocolate or some sweet desserts when we are stressed. But what this does is that caffeine has an effect of constricting the blood vessels and further raising the blood pressure. And it also elevates the levels of stress hormones in the body. So instead of going for these high caffeine drinks, try green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and it's known to bring down the stress levels. Fifth option is breathe easy. Take a deep breath is very meaningful when it comes to stress. When you are stressed out, relax. Put your feet flat on the ground, sit up straight and put your hands on your knees. Take a deep, slow breath and breathe it out. So when we take a deep breath, it increases the oxygen levels in our blood and it sends more oxygen to the brain and other organs of the body and relieves stress. This was about dealing with an immediate situation at hand. Now let's come to lifestyle changes which will make us less prone to stress and will train our body and mind to cope better with a stressful situation. The first thing which we can do in this practice is practicing mindful and physical exercises. Now these exercises can be in form of some kind of a yoga or a meditation. We can join some classes to learn some yoga or meditation. We can what we do in meditation is we sit in a relaxed posture and we concentrate on a single sound such as Om, or we can concentrate upon our breathing patterns. We can count in our mind and we distract the mind from the thing which is making us stressed out. All types of meditations, what they do is that mind does not go after every single new thought coming to the surface and hence does not get disturbed. Second lifestyle change which can be made is exercise. Now, by exercise, we don't mean that we have to go for some park training in a gym, or we have to train our body for a marathon. Simple exercises like going for a short walk, or going for a jogging, going for a swim, or taking part in some sport which we like will make the body release endorphins or the feel good hormones and will instantaneously elevate our mood. Third lifestyle change can be eating right. When we are stressed out, somehow we have a tendency to go for high fatty and sugary foods which further enhance the stress levels of the body. If we cultivate a habit of eating fresh fruits and vegetables and foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as nuts like almonds and walnuts, it trains our body to cope up better with stressful times. Fourth lifestyle change is sleep well. When we are stressed, we are not able to get a sound sleep, and lack of sleep further aggravates stress. So prevent getting into this vicious cycle of less sleep and more stress. Instead, when you are stressed out, try going for a simple bedtime ritual like taking a shower, reading something, listening to some calming music, or meditating for some time, and go for a sound sleep, and you will wake up to a fresh yourself. Sometimes just a sound sleep can be your best stress buster. The good news is that most of the time stress is easily manageable. With some patience and few useful strategies, we can help our bodies and minds out of stressful times. Thank you.